Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 40, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now look for auto rotate icon, and when you find it, just click on it. As you can see, mine is black. That means that auto rotation is off. If you wish to turn it on, just click on the same shortcut. But you can always go into settings as well, tap on display section over here, scroll down and manage auto rotation by clicking on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!